and welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a salted caramel mocha latte. You heard me, salted caramel mocha latte. This is one of my favorite drinks from Starbucks and I decided to learn how to make it at home because first, Starbucks is really expensive and this is going to be way cheaper, and second, I like to know kind of like what goes inside my drink. Okay, let me show you the ingredients and we're gonna get started. You're going to need some type of milk. Here I'm using 2% cow milk, cocoa mix, whipped cream of course, a tiny bit of salt, caramel sauce. This is my homemade caramel sauce and there's already a recipe that just went up this week, so make sure you check that out, or any salted caramel will do, and espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine, about half a cup of really strong American coffee will do. I like to make mine in the stovetop, but of course you can always make it in the microwave. Let's get started because I need some coffee. It's really early in the morning. Okay, so here I have a small saucepan. Into it I'm going to add my milk. I turn on the heat to medium. Okay, now that my milk has started to slightly simmer, I'm going to add hot cocoa mix, some salted caramel sauce. Now we're just going to whisk until everything's very well combined. And now it's time to add our coffee. Okay, that looks perfect. Now we turn off the stove and we're gonna put on the toppings. Okay, and now we're going to add it to our mug, hopefully without making a mess. Top it with tons of whipped cream and a little more caramel sauce right on top. Whoa, that looks good. I know they do add a little bit of flaky salt on top. I use sea salt, so I'm just gonna add a tiny pinch. And this is what it looks like. So you can see this is the perfect salted caramel mocha latte in the comfort of your own home. So make sure you check out this recipe. I'm just gonna go for it. I know I'm gonna burn my life, but that tastes so good. Make sure you guys give this a try. You're not going to regret it, I can assure you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.